What's going on, guys? On this video I'm gonna attempt to fix my drone. Hopefully we can get it fixed, but first let's take a look at what I have. Okay guys, so I got this silicone mat so we can work on this mat. We have 100, I believe there are 131 squares. You can use them for your screws. We have different slots over here. I also got this precision screwdriver set. Not sure if we're gonna be needing this because I got the arm axis, and in here we have basically what we need is a Torx 5 and some tweezers, and I have 2 axes. So let's unwrap the mat. So all of this I got it from Amazon, so I will leave the link in the description. Okay, here we have the drone. Okay, so I want to see if I can find anything about that wire that I can see there. So I'm gonna move the gimbal cover. So the screwdriver that came with the package, it doesn't work, so I'm going to be using this one that I have. I'm not sure what size it is, but maybe I can use this one in case. Also, if I have an issue with this one, we can go ahead and open the other one. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove those 3 Torx 3 bolts that are holding onto the drone, and then I'm gonna remove the broken piece. And after that, we have 2 bolts holding the whole axis into the arm. And to remove the axis, you have to apply a little force, not that much, but you have to apply a little force. I did it with my tweezers, and it came right out. And when you put the new one, you have to make sure that they are the same. And here I tried to remove that cover so I can take a look at that wire. And then on that one, you have to be very careful because it has very small brackets and you can easily break them. Also, I unscrew the sensors that are pointing downward. I didn't disconnect them or anything. I just wanted to take a look at the wire, but I couldn't do anything about that wire. Couldn't put them back together. The only way is to take everything apart and replace the whole wire with the antenna. So to install the axis, you're gonna go ahead and mount it to the drone with those 3 bolts, and then you have to put it on the arm. and obviously put those remaining 2 bolts. Okay guys, so I was able to replace the arm axis. So this is the old one. I put it together, but it's it was broken. The only thing, the screwdriver wasn't the right size. This one was a little bit too big, so I had to use one of these. I can't remember which one it was. I think it was this one, the smallest one, because I didn't want to open the set that I got. I might keep it still, but I was planning on returning it. But I think I have the screwdriver that came with it when I bought the drone for the propellers, so we'll see. So I removed this back cover so I can see a little bit of the wire that it was broken, but I couldn't. I thought I was going to be able to put it together, but I don't think it's possible. And I believe that wires from the antenna, so I think that still needs to be replaced. I think we can still fly it, but we might have some issues with the antenna connecting to satellites. I don't know how the antenna will affect the drone. And the other thing, they're still broken, so I still have to fly it and see how it's gonna react. So let's go ahead and try it. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and try it, and let's see what results we have.
Home point updated.
So it's telling us to calibrate the gimbal. So let's go to settings. Gimbal calibration. Place aircraft on level surface. So as you can see, everything looks good. We have satellites, but I don't know about that red spot right here.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Okay guys, so I tried it, but I know it's not like it was before. I noticed that it wasn't stable and it wasn't as responsive, and I was going side to side. Could be because of the propellers. It doesn't have a piece, it's missing a piece. I'll have to do another test. New propellers, hopefully that change. Broken wire that it was from the antenna, but everything seems. I thought that it wasn't gonna be connected to the remote or even to the satellites, but it was connected to the remote, it was connected to the satellite. So that red spot that I was talking about, can't remember what it means. I have to look it up. But other than that, I mean, it's good. I didn't want to take it too far, didn't want to take it too high, but at least I can fly it. Not like before. I'm gonna be scared if I take it far, but it's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the propellers, and let's do another test, and hopefully I can take it a little bit far. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and replace the propellers. I'm gonna go ahead and okay, so when I bought this drone, it came with some extra propellers and a screwdriver for the propellers. Here we have the propellers. I'm gonna go ahead and use this set. So you can either use the smallest one that came with it or the next one. And first one is gonna be PH and 3 zeros. The second one is PH and 2 zeros. You can either go with any of those, and I think I'm gonna go with the second one. So what you do, you stick it out of the case and stick it on the driver, and as you can see, it's magnetic. Okay. Now on the propellers that came with the drone, we have side A and we have side B. So we have to make sure that we put them on the right spot. So, and it also came with extra screws. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so the drone is going to be facing forward just like the picture. So it says A, install propeller A as shown in the image. When replacing the propellers, remember to also replace the screws. Okay, so we have to replace the screws as well. Okay, so this arm and this arm is going to be side A. Okay guys, so what you do is you're gonna hold the motor and you're gonna loosen your screw. I wasn't paying attention and I didn't get a good shot, but I think I'll move my arm a little bit. Yeah, so you're gonna loosen the screw, take it out, remove the propeller, and you're gonna stick the new one in, and you can either use your new screws or you can use the old screws. And as you can see, I'm matching them so they can be on the same side. And it doesn't matter which way you put them because they move anyway. In this case, I'm going to use the old screw, but you can use new screws like it says on the package. So I'm trying to see which one are the ones that are in bad shape, because I didn't realize that it only came with 4, but in the package that I got, like I bought it used, I only got 3. So the side B, it only had 1 propeller. So I think I'm gonna buy more so I can replace all of them. Okay guys, and I'm back with the drone, and so what I did was I took it to a shop. So what they did, so they replaced the whole arm. So as you can see, this is the arm, and as you can see, the orange wire that was from the antenna. So this is the old wire that they removed from the inside of the drone. So I thought that I could put it back together, but so this type of wires you can't. And the guy even told me, no, those wires you cannot put together. If it was one of these 2 wires, so you can attach them back. So I think this type of wires, fiber optic. I'm not sure what type of wire that is, but you cannot put it back together. So here we have the new arm. I think it's this one. So yeah, the and the guy kind of fixed it right here where it was cracked. Okay, so the guy, he said that it was flying very good. I did see it, just just hovering. But now I have to try it. So remember last time, it was kind of moving everywhere. So he said that it could be because of this, and hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully the crack doesn't get any bigger. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it, and hopefully we don't break it again. Okay guys, so it's been a while. I haven't tried it yet. So I'm gonna, before I take it down there is the new Universal Kids Resort. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it down there. But before I take it down there, I'm gonna check it out in here, see how it does. So I haven't had the time to fly it. Let's see how stable. If you remember, it was moving a lot. So I think it is very stable right now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take it down there. Hopefully I don't lose it. Here we go. Okay guys, so I think it did amazing. I think it's right, yeah, it's right over there. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna bring it down. Alright guys, so I think you did pretty good. It is very stable, it's not moving. Okay guys, so I was recording with my Meta glasses and I thought I was recording, but you know, I wasn't. So like I said, it did very good. It was very stable, it wasn't moving at all, and as you can see, it is flying very good. It did very amazing. I'm glad that I took it to the repair shop. Well, I'm gonna end the video right here, guys. There you have it. Thanks all for watching, and see you on the next video.